Hello everybody, welcome back to our brand new video. So today in this video we're gonna learn about CSS specific side borders like border left, border right, border top, border bottom, and about rounded borders. So in this video we're gonna learn this, and this will help us to create or design a website fast and smooth and beautifully. So don't miss the end. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So now at first we should take a content here. I'm gonna refresh this, so here nothing. So now I'm gonna take a content here, like I'm gonna take a P, which means paragraph, and I'm gonna write a dummy text, which is lorem ipsum. And if we refresh this, so this is our text. So now we shall set a border of this text. So come here and access the P tag. Then our property was border, and there are three values of the border property. The first is the width of the border. Second is the kinds of the border, like I'm going to choose solid, and the color I'm going to choose red. So refresh. So this is the border, and now if you want that, we shall set the border only in one side, like I'm gonna choose the border only at the top side. So how to do that? So to do that, we need this property. So if we paste this here and refresh, so you can see the border is only at the top side. So if you want that, we should set that in the left side. So not need to write border hyphen the specific side. So there's how we can set the specific border. So I'm gonna make this for multiple times. So this is the fourth time of p tag, and I'm gonna declare class first, second, and third, and then fourth, which is our four number. And now if we refresh, so here you will see this, there is for time of p tag, and now we are gonna style this specifically. So access first, so write the class with a border. So this way you can turn on, and no, it's occurring a problem. So paste this, and now we need just this, and we're gonna set this at the border right. So set this at border right, refresh this. So this is different way to add borders, and it will help you to understand better. And now we're going to set this, and the bottom side, like I'm going to choose 2 pixels solid red, and the fourth section border top solid red. And you can see this everything's different. So now if we sense this, because this showing very bad that there are two lines for the multiple times, this not looks good. So we're gonna replace this. So now this looks good, and these are completely different, and we have set the border in the different side, like I've set this border of this content at the left side, this is at the right side, this is the top side, and this is the bottom side. So here's how you can add a border in a specific side you want. And now we're going to learn about rounded borders. So how we can round a border, like I'm gonna take here one h1 hello world, fresh. So this is our text which is heading 1, which can say heading. Now if we access this, so h1, and here border, we need the border and 3 pixels, suppose solid blue, and refresh. So this is the border, and if we set the width of the border, so it will be good to us 20% border. So it's make this break, it makes the line so bad. 27%, this looks good. And now if you want to round the border, that it will be something like to circle. So how to do that? So the property of that is border radius, border hyphen radius, and we just need to declare the size or the specification or something like you want to. This we need to declare like in pixel. So I'm gonna declare that in 10 pixel. If we 7 refresh, so you can see our border has been rounded. So if I increase this into 50%, so it has been rounded more. So here's how you can set a specific borders on the specific side, and how you can round and border. So if this video is helpful, so press the like button and put a comment you want. Please subscribe this channel. So have a good day.